Hi, Ashley here with hearthookhome.com, and today we are going to learn how to make a magic circle in crochet. A magic circle is beneficial when you're working in the round, so anything that is circular like coasters or hats or amigurumi, which is stuffed crochet. So we're going to learn this. It'll make your projects look a lot cleaner and a lot nicer and a lot tighter of a circle. So to start, we're going to take our working yarn, and it's kind of like a slip knot, but not quite. So we're going to take our yarn and wrap it around our fingers and make an X, like this, with this one on top. So we're going to go under the first one and over the second one and pull it through. And now we're almost there, but we're not there yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the working yarn and we're going to chain one to lock it into place, and then kind of pull it a little bit tight. So now we have a magic circle. Yay! So I'm going to go ahead and do some double crochets into this so that I can show you how to tighten it up a little bit, because it will look a little silly. So I'll do about 8 of these just real quick. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now you'll notice that it kind of looks a little funky. You're like, whoa, we've just got a string of DCs here going on. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the tail and just kind of pull it. And since it is kind of like a slip knot, it'll pull it just nice and tight. So we'll do, there we go, kind of cinch it up a little bit. And now I'll go ahead and slip to the top of my first actual DC. So we'll slip stitch that together. Okay, and now you're like, meh, it still looks a little silly. So let's go back to the back where we've got a little hole, and we'll just pull it tight again. And you'll see that we've got a nice little hole right here, and there's not a huge gap like sometimes when you do the chain 4 and join and then work into that chained circle, you've got a gap. So here we've got very nice little tiny little circle. And what I like to do at the end also of my project, let's say that I'm making a hat and I've got, I don't know, 15 rows or something of the double crochet, I can go to the inside of the hat and I can find this here and pull it real tight, like nice and tight, and it'll cinch it up as tight as it can. And then I like to take my little embroidery needle, my yarn needle, and tie a knot as far down at the base as I can, and then I weave this end in just around that first row here. So that is how you make a magic circle, and it really does make a difference. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Talk to you soon.